Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Training Program and this is your teacher Naina. And how are you today? Yes, I hope all of you are doing really good at home and being safe as well. So welcome to Swiflearn. Swiflearn is India's most sincere learning destination for the classes 1 to 10. Here we are providing 100% live and interactive classes and personalized attention batch with maximum 6 students. And we have a lot of impressive key features as well. So please try to book your free trial class today itself and get ready to learn with Swiflearn and explore the art of learning with Swiflearn. And everyone, have fun through this session and get ready for the session. And I would like to give some tips like to exercise your brain at home. So the first one, say the days of the week backwards then in alphabetical order. So try to use any other language rather than your native language. It will train you more. So say the months of the year in an alphabetical order and also reverse alphabetical order. That is a good activity. And third one, find the sum of your date of birth, month, date and year. Do you want a tougher one? Do with family members too. So next one is name 2 objects for every letter in your first name. When you become a pro, work up to 5 objects. You will do it. That's a lot of fun. And fifth one, look around you. Wherever you are, within 2 minutes, try to find red things and fit into that pocket and 5 blue objects that are too big so you cannot put into that pocket and because it won't fit. Let's figure out, you can do it. And this is the next activity, find the 6 animals. This is really fun and it is very easy. You just need use your observation skills and visual perception skills. Let's go. Let's find the 6 animals from this picture. Go ahead. Focus. You can do it. And I hope you got the answer and the answer is over here. You got the alligator, camel, rabbit, deer, cobra and butterfly. Did you manage to get it? Who got at least 3? Raise up your hand. Very good job. Excellent job. Amazing. Keep trying. And here we go. I hope you have a pen and a paper with you. And get ready with the paper and pen. Let's copy all these dots on the paper and try to do this activity. Connect the dots with more than 4 straight lines without lifting your hands from the paper. That is really simple. You just need to figure out how can you draw more than 4 lines without lifting your hands from the paper. Try to do that. Just pause the video. Let's try to do the activity at your pace. And again, play the video. Then you will see the answer. Good job. And let's check the answer. The answer is over here. You can start from here, the bottom one. Go to the top and a crisscross. Then you got the answer, right? Well done. If you could do this activity or else try again, you can do it. And here, this is your next activity. Let's solve the billiards. So here we go. There are 3 empty spaces, which means you have to add 3 balls, but you will get the sum 30, right? Okay. And you have a lot of billiards balls. In each ball, there is a number. So let's figure out which balls can add up to 30. Let's try to do this one. As I mentioned earlier, please pause the video. Let's do this activity and later please play it and find the answer. Good. Keep trying. I'm suggesting you to think outside of the box. Yes, very good. Think out of the box and find the answer. You can use and apply any logical reason to do this activity. Very good. I hope you got the answer and the answer is over here. This max puzzle cannot be solved mathematically. It is because the sum of 3 odd numbers cannot be an even number. So 30 is an even number, so we cannot make it. So what else we can do? We just need to pay some attention. So place balls 11 and 13 into that holes and you will get the sum of 24. And you need one more number. Just pick the 9 and put it upside down because it's a ball, right? Yes. So 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. Very good job. And here, this is a simple activity. So what is the number of the parking space containing the car? So which one is over here? Which one is missing? Just figure out the sequence and you will able to do this one. good. And the answer is 87, because 86, 87, 88, 89, 90 and 91. It's a sequence, right? Excellent job. And here, what do these pictures have in common? What do you think? What is the most basic thing that you can see over here? What is that? All the pictures has the red color, right? So fill in the question mark. That is the next activity. So you have 19, 11, 11, something is missing, and again 12. So you just need to figure out how can you find this number and what is the relation between these cubes and the given numbers below. Let's do this one. Keep going. Nice job. And I hope you got the answer. And the answer is 9, because 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 9. Excellent job. So for these activities, if there is any sequence, just find and figure out what is the relation, right? Then you can find the answers. And this is your next activity. How many numbers do you see here? Let's find the numbers from this picture and let's use your super eyes. Go ahead. Let's figure out what are the numbers and how many. Yes, keep going. I hope you got the answer. Let's check the answer, and the answer is over here. Answer is 10. The numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Let's try to do this one. Just look at the object, look at the picture and try to figure out the numbers. You can do it. Keep trying. And this is the last question over here. So use the numbers 2, 3, 4 and 5 and the symbols plus and equal sign to make a true equation. How will you do this one? I can show you an example. That is the answer. 2 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 4, right? So try to do this activity with different digits and different numbers. Okay? Very good. And thank you everyone. Thank you for coming today. You can discuss these activities with your parents and your friends. And let's check how many of them can answer, right? Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed the session. You were so confident and positive and I really liked it. So if you like the session, please like, comment and share. Thank you everyone. Be safe and healthy.